Hi everybody! I hope that you and your family is doing well by these strange times and that quarantine is going well for you. I'm sorry for my English because I'm French and I'm not fluent at all, so I hope you could understand what I'm saying. Today I wanted to make this video because I've started to do melt and pour soaps, which is very nice. If I can do it, you can do it. Hello? I have prepared like a precise amount of the soap because I'm gonna do four soaps. So here you have, I don't know the name in English, but I think like it's Jojoba pearls. I don't know. But okay, for exfoliating, this is to give like a blue color in the soap because I love the blue. But you can do this soap with like so much different things. I mean, you can do it also with like nuts, coke. How do you say it? I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm gonna look a lot how to say words in English. Coque de noix. Nutshell! So, you can do it like with a powder of nutshell. It's also very effective. I have some actually, and you can see it like this. But I wanted a blue color, so I did this. And also I put in it like peppermint essential oil to give a fresh smell, and also this, it's like an Aqua'zen, you can put whatever you want. I mean, I put this because it's nice, and I don't know how to say it. It's like, yeah, it's like a fresh and green watery smell. Okay, so I've done with this. I prepare it here. So here we have a lot of little pearls of jojoba. I don't know why it's blue. I don't know, but I know that it's natural, so okay, I like it. I'm not sure that it's organic actually, but okay, no, it's natural. Okay, so then I'm gonna put my computer away and I'm gonna try to show you the best I can because I've never done it before. So I'm gonna, I hope you can, ooh, yeah, oh, it's nice. Okay, before doing this and this, I've had with alcohol like this, I've disinfected. I don't know how to say it. Yeah, disinfected, I think. Like to kill every bacteria and all this. So I'm gonna do it one more to make sure because I did a lot since. I've done it with all the little pots where I'm gonna put things. What I'm gonna do, it's like I prepared this and I prepare all the little things, and then I will melt this, and while this will melt, everything will be ready, so it will be very easy to do it quick, because with melting pour soap it's so nice to do, but you have to be a little bit quick because you have to add every product with like the soap out of the fire, and it can like get hard again pretty quickly. I have prepared the smell and the essential essential oil, yeah, and sorry, everything here. And so now we're gonna move to the fireplace. How we say it? Well, okay, we're gonna move and you will understand. Let's go. So there we are. I hope it's close enough. Yeah. So here you will see my hands. It's gonna be very simple. Just gonna take this and like wait until it melts. So let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna shut the fire down. There. Okay. And so I'm gonna add this. Ooh la la. That looks so nice. Wow. Sorry. And then I'm gonna add the last ingredient. Hoppala. Wow, that's a nice smell. Oh yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the mold and show you just the last, almost the last point. So there I go. So don't forget to alcohol them. So it's hot. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna try it like this because if not, you won't see anything. The bowl is so warm. Okay. And then we're gonna go. And one. There. And here I am with 4 beautiful soaps. Now, as you can see, there's soap everywhere in the mold, but also outside. So here I'm back. I hope you enjoy it. It's not finished, and I forgot to show you one thing. After, when you have like pulled the soap in the mold, you can like just spray some alcohol on it. It will like pop up the bubbles. I forgot to show you this, but it's like an interesting thing to know. So I really hope that you enjoy it. I'm sorry it's not so perfect. This is my first video. I hope you like it. I will do an update in 2 days because the soap needs 48 hours to be like completely solid. I can show you now how it is. It's already like getting hard. It's so nice. And it's gonna be like a blue flower. Huh, I love it. So I will update. So here I am for the update, and there is the soap. So you can see, I think actually they are so nice. Yeah. And they smell so nice. I hope that you liked the whole process and the video. Please let me know in the comments if you have any question. Of course, I will try to answer the best I can. And I hope to see you soon for another video. And of course, take care. Bye bye.